together the AKM Spotless Car Wash system. What this does is basically take some of the dissolved minerals and salts out of the water. When you wash your car, it'll leave less spots. The first step is to just remove the gray plastic covers that are on these threads. You can save them for storage or whatever if you wish to reuse them. And the next thing is you're going to install these quick connect parts. They pop off and they pop back on, hence the name quick connect. We're going to install these right on here. Before we do that, these can come out because they supply us with some like gasket sealer tape for this. We can go ahead and just put a few wraps on these threads and then screw them back in, and that's going to help prevent leaking. And we can do this on whatever you want to do it on. I'm going to use it on all like the more permanent things we screw in, so like this is not going to be screwed back out ever. And even screwing it onto the quick connect, we're not going to be removing that frequently. So I'm going to use some of this just so things that are going to be screwed in together for long periods of time are going to have this tape on it to help seal it. Now you don't need to tighten these in as hard as possible because you definitely don't want to strip that. So just get it pretty tight by hand and don't crank down on it as hard as you possibly can. That's too much if you do. Like I said, next we're going to install these quick connects, one on both sides. Now that we have the quick connect installed, there's an in and an outside. You need two sections of garden hose to use this thing. You need one that goes on the inside and then one that goes on the outside with a nozzle at the end of it. So our in is going to be this one, our out is going to be this one. Now the outside's pretty simple. You just screw it right back on this quick connect. Like so. The other side, however, you're going to have two male ends, and because of this, they include a female-female adapter. You can install that here, and then that allows you to install the intake properly here. Now, all that's left to do is turn on the water, let this fill up, and then go ahead and start spraying. Now it's important to remember that if you aren't getting the results you want out of this, if there is still a lot of spots on your car, the water still seems kind of hard, it could be due to everything that's after the tank. If you have an old hose that's full of deposits of like iron and stuff, or if you have a really old garden nozzle, like this one's very old, it's going to definitely be adding all sorts of dissolved minerals to the water after the tank. Those are other factors. A clean hose afterwards and a clean garden nozzle will allow you to have lower dissolved things, less spots on your car when you're done washing. So there we are. They do include a meter for measuring the dissolved particles. You stick it in water so you'd fill up like a small bucket. There's a minimum and a maximum fill line. You stick it in the water, it'll read it. It has an on and off, a hold. If you get a value and you want to take it out and still have that value, you can press hold. Good way to check if it's actually working. So we're going to test out the TKM Carwash Deionizer system. We're going to test it out on this Mustang. We're going to try washing the hood. As we can see, there are plenty of spots all over this hood. And there's plenty of dust that's been collecting on it. So we're going to go ahead and give it a go. So the hood of the car is drying off. It looks like the water I sprayed on did not leave any marks. However, there are still some marks left from the last time when it got really dusty. And that's really just because I didn't really do a full scrub. I didn't really soap it up really good. However, the water that's drying on it isn't leaving behind any significant water spots. So this product does work.